Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm opening my Spring FabFitFun subscription box. Okay, I just did my, well, a couple of months ago now, I did my winter box and it was full of cozies for the winter time, and this is going to help you get ready for spring. This is going to be fun and bright, and they are also celebrating their 10-year anniversary, or birthday, I mean, and so that's going on right now. There's lots of deals. When you're a member or a subscriber, you also get like special deals, like 70% off certain things. There's a shop that you get access to. This box I think is normally $59.99 per quarter. This is a seasonal box, so you get it 4 times a year. But with my code, which I'll put down below, I think it gets you 20% off, which is a really good deal. Oh, okay. So this is the design of the box. It's super cute, and this is because of their 10-year birthday. Many different colorful cakes on the box. This is super cute. Ooh, I already see so many fun colors. Forgot about this. Okay, so I did get to go and pick my items, but it was a while ago and I forgot. So when you do go on and subscribe, you get to customize your box. So you're not just getting a random box full of things. You actually get to choose. And all of the options, it was really hard to narrow down this time, and I forgot already, but this, I'm really excited. This is a beach towel, I think, or like a beach blanket. We live by the beach now, and we do have winter still, but in this summer months we are at the beach almost every single day, so I'm really excited. This is by Summer Rose. Oh, the tag just flew out. I hope that's right. But it's a big round beach blanket, beach towel. I love the color too. It's really fun. Oh my goodness, really fun and bright and round and pretty big too. The girls like to bring like the Barbie camper and like so many toys, so we have to have lots of these for them to display and put all of their things. We are not minimalist when it comes to going to the beach. We make a whole day out of it, and it's a big thing. But anyways, next, oh my goodness, I forgot about this too. This is a Coach Apple Watch band. I love the color. It's like a muted blue color. It has the Coach C's on it. I'm a huge Coach fan. It's just one of the brands that I like grew up with as a 90s kid, and it's timeless and classic, I feel like, so I love them. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh, it's really pretty. I love the color of this. I love neutrals, and if I do have a color, it's got to be a neutral color or a muted color if it's something that I'm going to be wearing like as an everyday thing like this. So here it is. Whoops. Okay, here it is up close. It's really pretty. Actually, why don't we just put it on right now? Here it is on my watch. I love it. I think it's really pretty. And I love that it's silicone too. The fabric ones, like this one I just took off, is nice because it's stretchy, but when you're like washing your hands and stuff, getting those wet is such a pain in the butt. So I love that this is silicone. Also going to be super easy to clean too. Okay, there it is. I love it. Okay, next is a beauty product. This is an overnight lip mask by NCLA Beauty. It is their birthday cake. It says, I guess, flavor or scent. Perfect for the 10-year birthday theme of this box. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love the packaging, the font, and the color. Overnight lip masks, I cannot live without. I feel like they do really help. My lips get so dry. Oh, it smells very light. And like birthday cake, it smells good. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I thought it was going to be like a balm. It's really soft. It kind of looks like a scrub material. Like it might have some, no, it's smooth. Ooh, that feels nice. I love when you put these lip masks on though overnight, and then in the morning you can still feel that it's on, like it's been working like to lock in the moisture all night long. I love these. Ooh, next is Fenty Beauty. This is a concealer brush. I love having little portable brushes like this to throw in my makeup bag. I've actually never tried anything by Fenty, but I love her packaging. So it has a lid. I love this. So you can just use it. Ooh, it's nice and dense too. A short, dense brush for concealer. You can use it for like bronzer or creams too. And then this just slides back up and you can throw it in your bag. I love these so much. they don't get dirty, and then you don't get like all of the fallout product. I feel like already, maybe with just my watch band, the price of one item could easily be over the price of the entire box. So I love that. I love justifying my purchases by, like, if I'm at TJ Maxx, I'm like, well, this sweater was normally like $100, so if my total is only $70, I'm like getting all this for free. I don't know, let me know if your brain works like that, but I love when I get a good deal like that and can justify it. What is this? This is a set of 2 berry colanders by Katie Kime. I don't remember this at all, so I'm very excited. Colanders, so like little dishes. Let's see. Oh, I do remember these. So these are like for fruits, berries, to store them in a cuter way, like either on your counter or in the fridge. These are so cute. The name is on the back, Katie Kime. This is the smaller one, and then there is a little bit larger, let's see, ooh, like robin's egg, or a little bit darker blue. Oh, these are so cute. I've always wanted little jars like this. I see these on Amazon, but I just haven't gotten them yet. I love storing things in cuter jars than what they come in, so I'm very excited about these. Okay, my lips feel so good. That lip mask is very, very nice. My, like, instantly softens, and it's like that consistency that you want to just keep going like that. Okay, last thing, yeah, with the brush. Okay, last thing is the Jonathan Adler glasses. I really wanted these. They shared like a sneak peek on their Instagram, and I was like, yep, I need those in my spring box. So these are 2 little glasses. We just moved, and in the basement we have a little bar area that I want to decorate with cute glasses like this, and I'm so excited to add these. I'll share a picture or like insert a little clip of them once I get them down there to display. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. It has like a ribbed glass. Oh my goodness, the color is so perfect for spring. These are beautiful, and it comes with a pack of 2. I can just see lemonade or little cocktails or mocktails. These are so cute. I have a thing for cute glasses. These are really well made too. They're heavy. I'm so excited. Love that this is quarterly. You get to customize it. It is very affordable when you think about it and break it down, especially when you get the 20% off your first box with my code, because it's not a monthly reoccurring. It's only every 4 times a year. This month, all of these things we're going to use like a lot, and I'm just so excited for spring. You get FabFitFun boxes. Let me know what you're most excited for this season. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.